In his first public appearance since ordering mask usage and pausing winter activities, Governor Doug Burgum explained exactly what led to the most drastic state orders since early in the pandemic.
He also gave the floor to lawmakers, superintendents, and doctors. Tim Olson gives us a rundown of the governor's press briefing.
Friday afternoon, KX News asked the question many North Dakotans have wanted an answer to for the last week.
Why now for these mitigation, or for the mitigation? Why not 2 to 3 months ago when we were seeing then record high numbers?
I mean, we're trying to fight to keep things open and balance that against hospital capacity. And when we saw these numbers really rising in the first 10 days of November, so we're trying to avoid, a Thanksgiving or post-Thanksgiving crunch where we do get overwhelmed.
Rising hospitalizations, a problem that two guest speakers, doctors from Fargo and Hettinger, said needs to be solved soon.
The greatest tragedy of an overwhelmed healthcare system is you don't have room for that extra patient. You don't have room for that car crash.
When someone can't breathe, and my colleagues can talk about it, just think about asthma. It is the scariest, probably the scariest thing that someone undergoes as a patient.
In the days following the governor's new mask order, police and sheriff's officials sang a common refrain: education on masks and enforcement as a last resort. But Burgum had this to say to sheriffs choosing not to enforce those new rules.
To the degree that someone in law enforcement can say, I'm going to enforce the stuff I like and not enforce the stuff I don't like, I think that should give everybody pause. I think in the posturing of the pandemic, we've lost a little bit of sort of the understanding that a civil society is built on the rule of law.
Speaking of law, lawmakers joined the governor to say they were glad to have reached a compromise, allowing student athletes to resume practice November 30th. House Majority Leader Chet Pollard said he heard from thousands of unhappy citizens.
Needless to say, the emails and the phone started on fire. Okay, you know what I mean by that.
Pollard also suggested that the state's COVID-19 response will be top of mind come January 5th.
Folks, that we can do in the legislative session in January. There will be plenty of discussions, but our goal today mainly should be help and relief to our hospitals.
Reporting in Bismarck for KX News, I'm Tim Olson.
And no word yet on when Governor Burgum will hold his next COVID-19 briefing. We'll keep you posted.